How to reduce the cost of wisdom tooth extraction, Europe versus Turkey. Extraction of the wisdom tooth is a typical treatment that millions of people endure each year. The cost for the procedure is different dependent on the location you reside in. In this clip, we'll look at the prices of wisdom teeth extraction within Europe as well as Turkey so that you can make a well-informed decision regarding how to go about having the procedure carried out. Europe. In Europe, the price of wisdom tooth extraction can be widely based on which country the patient is located within. It is generally the case that the price of this procedure is greater for Western European countries such as the UK, France, and Germany as compared to Eastern European countries such as Poland, Hungary, and Romania. In countries such as the UK, the expense of wisdom tooth extraction could be as low as PS 60 up to PS 200 per tooth, contingent on whether you choose to have the procedure carried out by a private or a public practice. In France as well as Germany, there is a possibility that the expense could be more expensive, with an average of between €200 up to €400 for each tooth. Eastern European countries tend to be less expensive in dental procedures, which includes wisdom extractions of teeth. In some countries, such as Poland and Hungary, that have lower costs for procedures, this procedure could be just €50 or €100 for each tooth. Romania is also a good option, offering competitive rates for the procedure, with prices of €80 up to €150 every tooth. Turkey. Turkey has been a well-known location for medical tourism recently, which includes treatments like wisdom tooth extraction. Dental procedures cost in Turkey is much cheaper than many European nations, which makes it a great choice when you want to cut costs. In Turkey, it is common for the price of wisdom tooth extractions can vary in the range of €30 up to €100 every tooth, contingent on the type of clinic used and the experience for the doctor. Clinics for dental care in the most popular tourist areas such as Istanbul and Antalya generally have higher rates than clinics that are located in cities with smaller populations. Factors affecting costs. Many factors influence the cost for wisdom tooth extractions for both Europe as well as Turkey. This includes the level of complexity of this procedure, the experience and expertise of the dentist, as well as the location of the dental clinic, and whether or not the procedure will be carried out in a public or private dental clinic. In Europe, it is common for wisdom tooth extraction is usually greater in private practices when compared with public clinics. Private dentists generally provide greater personal attention and better high-quality services, but with an expense. The public clinics, in contrast, could have long lines of waiting and less experienced dentists, but with an affordable price. In Turkey, there is a cost for wisdom tooth extraction is usually cheaper across the board in comparison to Europe. The reason for this is the lower cost of operating, less salary for medical personnel, and also the low costs to live in Turkey as compared to a number of European nations. But it's crucial to conduct an extensive investigation and find a trusted practice with qualified dentists in order to guarantee a safe and efficient process. If you're trying to figure out cost of wisdom teeth extractions, Europe and Turkey offer diverse options that come with different cost points. Although Europe could have higher prices overall, however, it also has greater options to choose from with regards to level of service and knowledge. Turkey, however, on the contrary, on the other hand, is a cheaper option generally, however it might have less alternatives in terms of dentists and clinics. The final decision on which location you'll have the wisdom tooth extracted is based on the combination of factors like price, care quality, and your personal preference. If you opt to get the procedure performed either in Europe or Turkey, the most important thing is to conduct your own research in the first place, ask questions, pick a facility and a dentist who you feel confident with. At the end of the day, the most crucial thing is to prioritize your oral health and pick the one which can provide the greatest results regarding cost and the quality of your care.